syempre kamahinungdanon baya ning atong pangutana with regards sa legal matters. I think kay ipasingit nato nining legal matters, but although the person nagsend sa kuan but wishes to remain anonymous kumbaga, but this
Yeah,
is
sure.
regarding the syempre contract or agreements between the event organizer and third party. Mo na yan,
Okay.
no, hanging question na dapat supposed to be last week, but I had to do this now cause ang pangutana diri phone in question to be specific, this which is obliged ba ang organizer to sign an agreement with the third party if required ng management ni third party before the event. If dili mag-sign si organizer because wa sila magkauyon sa agreement, doon na ba'y katungod or safe ba si third party if mag-withdraw sa arrangement or agreement, attorney?
So generally, no, our contracts can be written. It could also be verbal. So dili gyud kinahanglan nga ang isa ka kontrata kung nakasinabot ang isa, duha or tulo ka partidos nga nakasulat siya. Although makatabang gyud nga in writing ang contract aron dali mahinumduman, dali mabasa, dali ma-repass or review. But that would also depend on what kind of obligation that they have entered into. So if it's something that you deliver or you pay, so you may be compelled to pay or to deliver. But if it is something that you do, like kanang mga singers, di ba, kanang mga dancers, so murag kung dili nimo na mahimo, basig makabayad kag danyos, no? That's damages, depending also on what is the agreement therein, no? And or for example, very important na siya, no? So for example, kanang it's a show that there should be music, there should be lights and sounds, tapos wala ma-deliver, wala mahimo. So asa na lang ang show, asa na ang lights and sound. So it's very important, labi na kung time is of the essence, no? So mao na nga it would have to be taken on a case to case basis, pero mas nindot gyud kung mabasa pud nato tong kontrata katong sa nangutana. You could also PM me at my Davao Lawyer Facebook page, or you could just chat us after the program, or kontak ka lang ta sa diri sa ato ang during the show. Maybe we'll also answer more deeply the question, CD.
Okay. So another follow-up, they will not specify any scenario, but of course, in relation to the question man God, sometimes kay namanggoy agreement man pod, di lang na ako mag-mention og mga names, no, pero usa ka grupo kung pananglitan, usa ka boy band or usa ka girl group na naka-perform, pero namanggoy mga terms nga wa magka haom sa management pod na dili ingon ana na dapat buhaton kay ang management man pod usahay magbuot-buot. So what's the compelling na legal remedies na dapat buhaton in case nga isa ka person who appears to be managing that aforementioned boy band or girl group, attorney?
Yeah, so there is now here an agency, no? Kasi yung boy band na yan or girl group, usually may mga managers din sila. Although meron tayong mga ibang artists na sila na rin mismo yung manager at nag-ausap sa promoter. Normally, meron talagang manager or representative, or in this case, there is an agency na may magkausap for in behalf of that girl group or the boy band with the promoters or the organizers of the show. So, ang mangyari niyan, yung nagkausap, kapag he or she is really authorized, then na meron na silang mga preliminary na usapan, hindi naman natin mapilit na kung ayaw nilang gawain because it is something that you do, no? So, again, if there are some provisions for damages, or halimbawa, di ba, na refund ang mga tickets, naka-order na siguro ng food, nag-book na ng hotel, reserve na ng mga sasakyan, ano pa dyan, yung mga bouncer, security guard, usher. So you have to maybe have to reimburse that no, if there's no valid reason. But again, there is always then insurance no. Meron din naman mga ibang mga promoters or mga nag-promote na meron silang insurance, pati yung manager, kung may mga pangyayari na ganito na hindi maiwasan, ang insurance ang magbabayad yan. But I don't know if here in the Philippines na conscious tayo sa insurance. Maybe for other countries, meron yan. But here, it's not that, it's not that standardized. No? Kaya maganda pa rin siguro na aside from the written contract, constant communication. Kasi sometimes, hindi lang din natin alam, may narinig ako noon last time na yung sa mga co-ops na gusto fundraising, kumuha sila ng grupo, ito ang gusto nilang klaseng hotel, itong klaseng gusto na food or something like that. So dapat tanongin din natin, bakit ganun yung reason? Baka nasiraan ba sila ng tiyan, na kumain sila ng ganito, or mayroon silang not so good experience about that place. So baka pwede tayong mag-suggest ng alternative before that emergency happens no, na at the last minute na hindi natuloy. Kaya siguro mas maganda din na meron din sigurong alternative na may mga backup na bands or guests para man lang kahit na wala yung main event, ma-enjoy din yung mga nanood kung natuloy talaga naganap yung event, CD.
O yan. So of course, ang mga tubag ni Attorney Blue depende na sa sitwasyon.
Yeah,
It depends on the scenario. If you want to know more concerns about this with your question to whoever you are, syempre anonymous lagi. You can message through the Davao Lawyer Facebook page para dunay comprehensive and concrete answer sa imong concern. So thank you so much for nagpasa sa kuwang message.
Salamat po sa inyong pangutana. Ayaw mo magduha-duha kung napamoy lain mga pangutana.